Hi YouTube, this is Cassandra Carter from eMarketBiz channel. Today we're going to be talking about tax savings for the home business owner. That's whether you have a business online on the internet or locally. This same rule applies, having a home-based business. There's basically a three-step process for business owner. The first one is earn revenue from selling goods or services, and that could be anything that you wanted to offer. Um, Second, you spend what you need or what you want for your business, and you can deduct these business expenses to keep your business growing. And then the last key is that you pay taxes only on what's left over after you've done deducting your business expenses from your revenue. And here's just a few basic deductions for a home-based business owner. This is just a very short list. There are hundreds or even thousands of deductions, but these are just a few that I wanted to list. I'm not going to read through all of them, but the mortgage interest and rent is the number one thing that most people like to look into writing off on their taxes, since that's the most biggest monthly or yearly expense that they have. Then you have your electricity, which consists of your gas, electric, water, and sewer. If you have a cleaning crew that comes into your home, you can write off a portion of that. Office supplies, computers, phone bills, cell phones, newspapers, magazines, anything that's related to your business as far as newspapers and magazines, you can write off. Airfare, plane fare, rental cars, anything that's connected with your business as far as taking a trip, that's write off. Lunch, dinners, security alarms in your home or your apartment can be written off, along with different types of insurance. I'm going to go to the next step. This is one thing that a lot of people don't know about or how to calculate, and that's called your business use percentage, better known as BUP. Basically, this is the example I'm using of how to write off a certain percentage of some of those list of expenses that you saw earlier. And I'm using the mortgage expense in this example. This is just one example, but you can take any of those examples and apply the same concept. Number one, we're going to look at the total finished square footage of your home, and this example here I have is 3,000 square feet. And the total square feet that you actually use for your business, where there's just another room in your house or basement or a spare bedroom, let's say that particular room is 600 square feet. You're going to take B, which is your square feet for your business, and divide it by A, which is your total home. So you're going to take 600 divided by 3,000, and you're going to come up with 0.20, and that's converted to 20%. So basically in this example, the 600 square feet represent 20% of the space that you're using out of your home. So this 20% you'll be able to write off on your taxes based on what we have here. And I'm going to take this 20% here you see in these other examples, like listed here below, the mortgage, electric bill, and internet access. These are just three examples I'm pulling out of how you can determine what percentage you can write off. This is based on monthly expenses. You can do yearly, but I like to do monthly since that's pretty much how you'll be billed and pay most of your bills. The first one is mortgage or rent, and this example I used $1,800 monthly costs. You're going to take that monthly cost and multiply it times 20%. In this example, the 20% of the $1,800 is $360 a month. This is the monthly cost that you'll be able to write off from your mortgage or your rent. Next example is the electric bill. In this scenario, I just picked $150 a month electric bill. Times that times 20 is going to be $30 a month. So you get to write off $30 a month based on this particular bill here. Internet access, $40 a month times the 20%, is $8 write off that you'll be able to deduct monthly. And this is going to fluctuate from month to month pretty much for your electric bills, things that you pay on a month to month basis that can fluctuate up or down, which is your utilities. But as far as your mortgage and internet access, things like that are going to be pretty much standard month after month, so you pretty much know what your monthly deduction will be, since those doesn't change. Well, that is today is the last lesson for this business use percentage. If you guys please stick around and subscribe to this channel, we're going to be doing more tax saving tips for the home business owner. And these would definitely be some tips that you can apply to your home-based business, especially if you have an internet-based business. Thanks for now, and we'll talk with you soon. Bye-bye.